Hey, I'm going to show you how to cut an Orangeburg sewer pipe. An Orangeburg sewer pipe is not metal. It's not die cast iron. It's just made out of paper and tar. It's really hard, but you cannot cut it with a handsaw. It takes too long. And if you try a hacksaw, it takes too long. I even tried a one of these Diablo 12-inch thick metal saw blade with a circular handsaw, a reciprocating saw. This did not work. This takes too long. This way takes too long to cut, takes forever. What I did find that works is using a circular saw. Use a masonry circular saw cutoff. This one's a 7-inch. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate it for you. Okay, here's where this is hard. This Orangeburg pipe is like brand new. It hasn't deteriorated. It's just like it came out of the factory. It's been here for over 50, 60 years. It's hard as a rock. I have no trees or any roots that are penetrating it, so that's why it's kind of hard. Let me show you how this works. Alright, that's the Orangeburg sewer pipe. It's hard as a rock. It's almost like brand new, like it's never been even, it hasn't even deteriorated. This thing should last me another 100 years. Not 100 years, maybe another 50 years. But it is dry, not wet. It is solid as a rock. So if you're going to try to cut Orangeburg pipe, again, use one of these masonry circular cutoff. Now, to get underneath it, I'll just keep you up to date how I cut it all the way through. Okay? So, forget about this reciprocating handsaw, circular saw, whatever you want to call it. A reciprocating saw, it did not work. It takes too long. Use a grinder wheel. Right? Talk to you later. Bye.